Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to make power-up system in Unity. So let's get straight into it. First, create a player, a square, whack a rigid body, box collider, and a player movement script. There's already one on my channel, so you should have one. Then add a tag player, and then create a circle, or you can design a thing, but I can't draw. So create a power up, add a circle collider on trigger is trigger whatever, and then no tag on that. And then I created a basic particle system. I will make a tutorial on the particle system some other time. And then I created the simple start screen. I will link the tutorial to that down below. So let's get straight into it. So create a script called power, and then I was just messing around. Actually, we need that, so let's press con. Don't do this. Yeah, make a public float power and then equal that to like 2 or whatever you want it to be, and then say public, and then whatever your player movement script is. So mine is player movement, and then name that player movement, and then say public game object, and then that will be the effect, the particle effect I made. So make that, and then get these update and stop methods out of here because nobody needs them anyway. So then say on trigger enter 2D, on trigger enter 2D. So, and what you want to do by this collision over here, you want to cancel that. Yeah, cancel that and then type other there. That's it's gonna stand for the player. So then what you wanna do, say if, and then brackets, other dot other dot compare tag. Sorry, I'm a bit slow at typing, but just deal with that. Compare tag, and then remember the player tag we created. Write the player tag in here exactly how it is or will work. So if if power up collides with the player, then it will destroy game object, and also, so we gotta say player movement dot, and then let's say the speed is the power up, then we want to say multiply equals power, so power there, and then what we want to do, this works for the power up, we just want to add particles to make it look nice and things. So instantiate instantiate, and then brackets again. So instantiate is basically spawn object at a location. So instantiate game, game, and then comma. Gotta put a comma there for some reason all the time. Instantiate game at transform dot position and then yeah, say transform dot rotation as well. And then when we close the game and just wait for it to load, we should have it. I am an idiot, sorry guys. We just gotta go back. I forgot to add the script. So if we now add power 1 to the actual thing and then let's pull these things out. So put the square in there and then put the particles in where it says game object. Let's just put the particle system in there. Now it should work. Okay, if I can load, please. And then if we say start, as you can see, when we run into it, there's particles and we move slightly faster. Let me just up the multiplier so you guys can actually see the speed increase because it's quite hard to see right now. Okay, so now if we run into it, a wall does appear and then we should be the flash. Okay, as you can see, that was a bit too fast. We zoomed off the screen there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and peace.